cellular rust. You leave a piece of metal out in the rain, and what happens? It oxidizes, it gets brittle, it breaks down. Well, believe it or not, almost the exact same process can happen inside our own cells. And the foods we eat are either like throwing more water on that metal, accelerating the rust, or they're like the polish that helps clean it away.
So, what's causing all this internal rusting? Well, it turns out there are these specific biological bad guys, these little villains that get unleashed when we eat the wrong stuff. They are the primary drivers of this damage, and they've got a pretty formal name, but it is so important to understand what they do.
They're called advanced glycation end products, or fittingly, AGEs. Now here's how they work. When you have too much sugar floating around in your system, it starts to get sticky. It literally gloms onto important proteins, like the collagen that keeps your skin looking young. The slide says it perfectly. Imagine dipping a bunch of flexible, stretchy rubber bands into a vat of melted hard candy. They come out stiff, brittle, and they just snap. That's exactly what AGEs are doing to your skin, your blood vessels, everything. But here's the real kicker. Creating all that damage is only half the problem. See, our body has this amazing built-in cleanup crew, a process called autophagy, that's designed to go in and clear out all that cellular rust. But there's a catch. That crew only works when its boss, the hormone insulin, lets it. As you can see here, when we're constantly snacking and spiking our blood sugar, insulin is high, and that cleanup crew is basically told to stand down. It's completely disabled. So the wrong foods are causing the damage and shutting down the one system that can fix it.
So, let's name some names. Who are the biggest culprits? Well, here they are. The most wanted list for accelerating that agent clock. You've got refined sugar, of course. That's public enemy number one. But then you've got industrial seed oils, refined carbs like white bread, deep-fried foods, processed meats. You see the pattern. All of these things create that